Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Mayanka, consultant nephrologist at Healing Hospital. Thank you so much for joining my live session. Today, I'm going to talk about hepatitis B and C and their relationship in dialysis patients. As patients who are on dialysis, they are at very high risk for acquiring infections because commonly they are in contact with healthcare settings, and hepatitis B and C are one of those diseases that they are more prone to. So we are going to start by talking about what are these viruses, what illnesses do they cause. Then we will talk about how can we prevent them, how can we diagnose them, and how can we treat them if you acquire these infections. जो हेपेटाइटिस बी है और हेपेटाइटिस सी है, दे लीड टू liver disease. They can either cause acute or chronic hepatitis. That means they can cause inflammation of the liver. और अगर लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए इन वायरसेस को ट्रीट नहीं किया जाता, दे कैन लीड टू liver cirrhosis, which is fibrosis of the liver, as well as they can lead to hepatocellular carcinoma. इन डिजीजेस को डायग्नोज करना और इनको ट्रीट करना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. So let's talk about hepatitis C virus first. How is it transmitted? So सबसे ज़्यादा common mode of transmission of hepatitis C virus is through blood. So in today's era, जो भी blood transfusion होती है, we routinely screen the transfused blood for hepatitis B and C. So इसका incidence through blood transfusion has reduced a lot, but again, there is a small risk that through blood transfusion you can acquire it. And dialysis patients, they are anemic, and occasionally they need blood transfusion. So it's important that unnecessary blood transfusion na karvaएं, and you should stay on medications like erythropoietin and IV iron, whichever are prescribed by your nephrologist, so that your hemoglobin doesn't drop, so that you don't need blood transfusion. The other thing is using universal precautions at dialysis center. So एक पेशेंट का इक्विपमेंट दूसरे पेशेंट में नहीं यूज़ करना चाहिए. वंस यू डन विद डायलिसिस ट्रीटमेंट, बिफोर द नेक्स्ट पेशेंट कम्स, जो सरफेस है उसको बहुत अच्छे से डिसइंफेक्शन होनी चाहिए, बिकॉज दिस वायरस कैन स्टे ऑन द surfaces. And sharing of syringes and needles is avoided. In today's world, usually syringes की cost इतनी कम हो गई है, it's seldom used as a practice that we use same syringes for multiple patients. But again, this should be kept in mind that आपका needles या syringes किसी और patient के साथ common ना हो. The dialysis personnel, dialysis technician, nurses, whosoever is doing the procedure, they should follow universal precautions. They should follow proper hand hygiene, and once they are done with the procedure, they should wash their hands before going to the next patient. So with all these measures, it is possible to prevent transmission of hepatitis C virus. काफ़ी डायलिसिस सेंटर्स में ये पॉलिसी बनाई गई है कि जिन पेशेंट्स को हेपेटाइटिस बी या सी है, हम उन्हें आइसोलेट कर देते हैं दूसरे पेशेंट से. दैट ऑल्सो मिनिमाइजेज द रिस्क फॉर ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ दीज वायरसेस. So this is about prevention. Next will go कि इसको कैसे डायग्नोज किया जाता है. So because this disease is an asymptomatic disease, majority patients को पता नहीं होता कि उनको hepatitis C या hepatitis B है. Unless you screen for it through blood test, you won't be able to know कि ये exist कर रहा है. Commonly जिन patients को chronic kidney disease होता है, whether they are on dialysis or they are not on dialysis, हम routinely इन्हें screen करते हैं. Reason being कि at times these viruses can lead to kidney disease, or they can cause kidney disease. And once we screen them, if the patient turns out to be positive, we can refer them to a hepatologist so that इसका treatment early on शुरू हो सकता है. That's why all the CKD patients, we routinely screen them for this. The other thing being, how can you screen for it? So इसका बहुत ही simple blood test होता है hepatitis B और hepatitis C का, through which we can diagnose it. So majority of the dialysis centers, they have a policy कि वो अपने सारे patients को every 3 months they screen for this disease. So at times क्या होता है कि जिस टाइम पे हम टेस्ट कर रहे हैं, although patient is positive, that would not show in the blood test that we use. For that reason, हर एक patient का once a month हम liver function test भी evaluate करते हैं. If we see that the liver function tests are elevated, that is an indicator that we need to do higher tests to diagnose this hepatitis B and hepatitis C. So, if you've not checked yourself, talk to your doctor and get yourself checked for it. Next we'll come to the treatment part for hepatitis C. So आजकल hepatitis C का बहुत ही अच्छा treatment आ गया है. These medications are very safe for your kidneys and they are very effective that you can cure hepatitis C. This wasn't the scenario several years back. So 10 years, अगर हम आज से 10 साल पुरानी बात करें, तो उस टाइम पे हेपेटाइटिस सी एक क्रॉनिक डिजीज माना जाता था. वी वर नॉट एबल टू ट्रीट. इसके लिए हम इंजेक्शंस लगाते थे. वी वर यूजिंग सम ड्रग्स बट दे वर नॉट एज इफेक्टिव, एंड उसमें काफ़ी बार केसेस अगर पेशेंट ट्रीट भी हो जाता था, वी वुड सी अ रिलैप्स. बट इन रिसेंट ईयर्स बहुत ही अच्छी एंटीवायरल मेडिकेशंस आ गई हैं. So once patient does finish the course, which could be from 3 months to 6 months, in that case, with the treatment, it is possible to cure this disease. So, if you're diagnosed with it, do not hesitate, go and see a hepatologist at the earliest so that you can get started on the treatment. Next, we'll talk about hepatitis B. So, as in case of hepatitis C, hepatitis B is also transmitted through contact with infected blood. It is also sexually transmitted. It is also transmitted if you share needles or syringes. So, also it can go from mother to the child. So, these are modes of transmission of hepatitis B virus. Since जो dialysis patients होते हैं, commonly they get blood transfused. They get dialysis treatment in which we take blood out of your body that goes into a machine and then we return it. They are particularly at high risk for it. And prevention के लिए, again, as I talked about hepatitis C, your dialysis center personnel, they should follow the universal precautions. There should be no sharing of syringes. And most importantly, जो hepatitis B है, उसके लिए बहुत ही सेफ और बहुत ही इफेक्टिव वैक्सीनेशन है. इनफैक्ट ये वैक्सीनेशन अब जो भी न्यूबॉर्न चिल्ड्रन है उनके लिए मैंडेटोरी है, दैट वी पुट देम ऑन, वी गेट देम वैक्सीनेटेड फॉर हेपेटाइटिस बी. सो all the patients who are diagnosed with chronic kidney disease, we vaccinate them early on, even before they are on dialysis. The reason being कि when they are not on dialysis, उनका immune response बहुत ही अच्छा होगा. They are able to form good antibodies at that point of time. So ये बहुत ही inexpensive injection होते हैं which you can get in your arm muscle. And for CKD patients, usually we give double dose for 4 doses so that adequate immune response is formed. So once these patients are on dialysis, routinely हम साल में एक बार इसके antibody titer check करते हैं, and we also check antibody titers once they complete the vaccination course. So एक बार antibody titers check करके अगर हमें लगता है antibody response अच्छा नहीं आया, then we give them booster doses. So in this way, it is very easy to prevent hepatitis B. So I would urge all the patients जिनको chronic kidney disease है or they have other risk factors for acquiring hepatitis B, which includes being a healthcare worker, they should get their vaccination at the earliest. Let's talk about इसके लिए क्या क्या treatments available हैं. So like hepatitis C, for hepatitis B also we have several types of treatment. Interferon injection होते हैं. There are certain antiviral drugs, and there are several factors जिससे हम decide करते हैं if you need treatment versus not. So if you're diagnosed with it, you should see a hepatologist at the earliest. They can do the proper evaluation and see if you're a candidate for treatment. एंड अगर हम हेपेटाइटिस बी और हेपेटाइटिस सी अर्ली ऑन ट्रीट कर लेते हैं फॉर पेशेंट्स हु आर ट्रांसप्लांट कैंडिडेट, it's a very good thing. They can go ahead with the transplant. Excuse me. So, all the patients who are in dialysis, I would request them कि आप अपने डायलिसिस सेंटर की पॉलिसी को देखें और ये देखें कि क्या वो सारे पेशेंट्स को एवरी 3 मंथ स्क्रीन कर रहे हैं. दिस विल नॉट ओनली सेव यू, दिस विल ऑल्सो सेव द अदर पेशेंट्स. एंड रूटीन स्क्रीनिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. प्रिवेंशन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर आपके डायलिसिस सेंटर में जो हेल्थ केयर पर्सनल है, दे आर नॉट following the universal precautions, they are not following the hand hygiene, then you should tell them to do so. And if you're diagnosed with it, it's not end of the world. We have very good treatment options available. You should see the hepatologist and get it treated. So and get yourself vaccinated for hepatitis B. और अगर आपको ऑलरेडी वैक्सीनेशन मिल चुकी है हेपेटाइटिस बी की, यू शुड गेट योर सेल्फ चेक्ड टू सी कि आपका एडिक्वेट इम्यून रिस्पॉन्स बना है कि नहीं. With all these measures, it's possible to diagnose, prevent, and treat these hepatitis B and hepatitis C viruses. So I hope this session was informative to you. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact me on the link below. Thank you so much for joining my live session. Take care.